and one output strip.
The output window down here.
Right.
Now we haven't implemented cuts or edited film yet, so they're all looking at the same raw database.
Right.
But you're able to select a strip and move anywhere within that strip.
Right. So those strips are 60 frames long.
At this point, yes.
So these are 2 seconds worth of video.
Right.
Okay. Now let me just take a close up here.
Now the intent of the demo, when we get a little bit farther along, is that our preview window up here will have 2 icons. One that will allow you to play it forward, one that will allow you to play it backward, and another one that will allow you to select the speed at which it plays in case you edit a rather long section.
Right.
And those will all be in the icon area here, defined by where I'm moving the cursor.
Right.
And that will control this one little window here. The 2 input windows will have the same functionality, except when we're working within the window, you'll be able to point to one side of a frame. That will select that is the input of a cut area. Then you'll be able to scroll the film
by pressing and holding the button.
Pressing and holding mouse key 2, or you can come down here and move from a growth standpoint to another section of the film. Then come back up and select an out point, or scroll around some more, and then finally you'll select an out point. When the in and out point is selected, there will be some visual mechanism to tell you, so you can determine which is the in and out.
Yeah, the visual mechanism will be where?
It'll be somewhere attached between the frames. I haven't decided what that's going to look like yet. And then you'll be able to come down here and select where you want to
where the in or the out is. Well, you should be able to select the in and the out. You select 3 out of 4 in any combination.
Right. That's the idea.
Yeah. So now the thing over here. Let's take a look at that vertical thing. Controls the which strips. Now you could have literally almost infinite number of strips, because some of the strips may be edited strips that you'll then use as input later. Right. And so you can move around on those. Now then, you do your cuts and you put it down to the bottom one. Now one of the things that we can do here with the 2 input things eventually is control the dissolve rate, so that you can for example, oh, this is great, wait a minute, watch this. If you were to come in here and say, this is my in, okay?
Right.
And you say, and then you come over here and you say, this is my in, all right? What that means is it knows it's a dissolve. What you're saying is that you want to do a dissolve starting at this frame, all right? And then picking up here. So the dissolve is all done when you get to here.
Yep.
And the dissolve starts when you're over there.
Right.
All right. So that's how you can control your dissolve rates. All right. That's like, that looks real good. All right. Here we are.